Yes. And yes. Oh my god. This is like the worst.
Cream? What the hell cream? What kind of cream?
Cream.
What kind?
Any cream.
Whipped cream? Or what?
No, crema. Like, you know when some tacos have crema?
No.
I can't even
Ask. How much money do you have?
20.
And what do you have to buy?
Marshmallows, cream, and a can
Yeah.
of pineapple.
Well, the rest of the money give it to me. Cause I gotta bite shoelaces.
Oh my god. Oh my
Why would
god.
cream be here?
Are you recording?
Yes.
Ah, I found some milk. A pink milk. Hurry up, let's start with the 5 minutes.
Let's go here. It has to be right here somewhere.
Find cream, like, you know, cream for the tacos? Yeah. Like cream for the tacos, not with cream. But we're gonna find a cream.
I don't eat that kind of cream
No,
taco.
remember the dessert my mom used to make?